I'm Margaret, an adult services librarian at the Thomas Crane Public Library in Quincy, Mass., and I am so excited to introduce our guest from the Massachusetts Horticultural Society, Gretel Ensweg. In March, Gretel will be with us virtually for the program Live Online Urban Gardening. Can you tell us a little bit about urban gardening? What is it exactly, and what makes it unique?
Urban gardening has the challenge of trying to get a lot done in a very small space. And in addition, the climate can be harsher than if you were off in the countryside somewhere. The buildings collect heat in summer. There tends to be either blazing sunshine or deep shade. And you also have to be concerned about the soil, about any contaminants it might have picked up, since urban areas tend to have been inhabited by industry for a long time.
Everyone will be joining from home. Will the participants need anything to join the program, any tools or preparation to participate?
They will not need any preparation, and if you wouldn't mind reminding me a couple of days before, I'd actually be happy to send out the slides. So if they want to follow along that way, they don't have to take notes.
Excellent. And Gretel, you are a lifetime master gardener with the Massachusetts Master Gardener Association. What does it take to earn such a title?
In order to be a lifetime master gardener, first you have to be a master gardener. A master gardener is a title, it is not an adjective, and you get it by taking the training, which was about 60 hours, and then volunteer back in the community in approved horticultural activities for another 60 hours. In most states, that program is offered through the Land Grant University. In Massachusetts, it's an independent organization. If you're interested, contact massmastergardeners.org. To become a lifetime master gardener, you need to volunteer and report at least 1,000 hours in approved activities, which would be giving lectures, teaching, gardening in public gardens, answering questions of homeowners about gardening, and things like that.
In addition to your outdoor achievements, you were a systems engineer at Raytheon. Did your technical working career change your perspective on gardening or your approach to gardening?
I think the two went together. I'm actually a retired engineer at this point, which is wonderful. I think I bring the same skills to gardening and the same approach that I brought to engineering, which is I really want to understand what the science is behind it. And I really want to make decisions based on the data rather than, gee, I've heard this works. Okay, let's find out if there's a reason why it might or not. And if you can't find that, maybe we can set up a test and actually perform a test, figure out if it does work.
And if you could hope that each viewer of our program walks away learning at least one new thing from your presentation, what would that little bit of wisdom be?
I'm going to cheat and ask for two. One is get your soil tested. You really need to get your soil tested, and I will talk about that. But the other is just go play in the yard. Nobody's grading you on this. You own it. It doesn't own you. So just go out and have fun, because being out in the natural world and interacting with nature, even if it's just a postage stamp, even if it's a window box, is really good for the soul.
I love that. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for giving us, and thank you for giving us a little preview of what to expect. And we look forward to seeing your presentation in March. And for more information on the Massachusetts Horticultural Society, you can visit masshort.org. That's masshort.org. And for more information on this event, you can visit our events calendar on our homepage at www.thomascranelibrary.org, or give us a call at 1617-376-1300. Thank you.
Thank you.